I just found out about traffic secrets number 6.
Number 6? What's traffic secrets number 6 about?
FollowUp Funnels by Russell Brunson.
All right, you think I should get into it?
Yeah.
Yeah! Yep. That's right. Traffic secrets number 6. FollowUp Funnels. All right. This is exciting. In case you didn't know it, I'm trying to go through all the chapters for Traffic Secrets book, which there's 20 chapters, and Russell Brunson calls them 20 secrets. I'm trying to put all of them on YouTube. So for one, you can get the book and all of my bonuses, of course. But if not that, you could at least know what's in them and learn what you can from them from my videos. So I'm trying to reach out and to help you. But let's get started. And if you're wondering, oh, wait, who is this chick? My name is Shelly Hopkins. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I talk about video marketing, passive income, and affiliate marketing. So if you like any of those topics, subscribe and then you can see all of the videos. And I try to put out at least 1 to 2 videos a week. If you get anything out of this video, give me a like. And please share it with all of your friends. Let's get into it. Okay. On this one, FollowUp Funnels. Okay. Heck yeah. Okay, I love this stuff. Okay. Secret number 6 agenda. Okay. My biggest takeaway: increase the value of your list, grow your list quickly, multidimensional follow-up funnels, the 3 classes, emotional, logic, and fear. There's 3 closes. Soap opera versus Seinfeld emails, implementing secret number 6 into your business. I am just in the way. Okay. The biggest takeaway: the fortune is in the follow-up, which is so true. A study done by the Association of Sales Executives revealed that 81% of all sales happens on or after the 5th contact. I've always been told this before, but I thought it was 7th. But anyways, if you're a small business owner and you're only doing 1 or 2 follow-ups, imagine all the business you're losing. Not following up with your prospects and customers is the same as filling up your bathtub without first putting the stopper in the drain. And I love that because it makes you visualize it. You know, you're sitting there like, oh no, the water's draining out. Well, there goes all your customers. It's by David Fry, which is Russell Brunson's mentor. I love that. And that way we can always remember it because we can see it in our head. If you don't, someone can't spell. If you don't nurture the relationship and work on getting them to know, like, and trust you, then they don't really care. You want to date your customer, not a bunch of first dates, right? So in a previous video, I said it's like you want to date your customer because you know you want them to get to know you. You want to get to know them. You know, find out what you're all about. You know, sometimes it's like Jacob Carr says. Sometimes people's just not a good fit. So someone may be watching my videos and be like, well, I can't really relate to her and not like me. How could you not relate to me? Anyways, but that would suck if you had to just do 50 first dates. You know what I'm saying? So I like to use that analogy. And I love this picture. Increase the value of your list, okay? From front-end funnels to a follow-up funnel. And it has, traffic that you earn, traffic that you control, and the follow-up funnel through your emails, unboxing funnel, presentation funnel, phone funnel. Which follow-up funnels we were able to grow our profit from just $1 per customer to $16.49 per customer in a 30-day period. The new leads, over 14,000. and the total profit. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's big. I like this picture. Oh, by the way, if you want any of these slides, just comment down below. Grow your list quickly. Who wouldn't want to grow your list quickly, right? The secret to growing your list with paid ads. Your new lead is acquired. Provide more value. Follow funnels. And this is the same thing too as we talk about cold traffic and warm traffic. So whenever you do paid ads, as far as your customers, I prefer, of course, most people anyway would, to get them in, organically, like through YouTube or through Facebook or something like that instead of paid. Of course, you don't have to pay for it, but you come in and it's more of a warm lead, where on here, your new lead is acquired, but you're slowly turning them from cold to warm. If that makes any sense. Funnel stacking. After you sell them into your first follow-up funnel, direct them to the next step in your value ladder. In this case, it would be the Funnel Builder Secrets webinar. Does that make sense? Which, that webinar is awesome. MultiDimensional follow-up funnels. Okay, I love this picture. The front end funnel, the book funnel, the webinar funnel. Totally visual person, are you? Say for example, $3 per lead. Okay. And then it has the value emails. Send up the value ladder. Funnel stacking. After we stack multiple funnels back to back in our follow-up funnels, we make a profit. And if you're probably wondering what a value ladder is, first time I heard someone say that, I'm like, what? Okay. Say you have, like I promote a $1 product, okay? So someone comes in for that $1, and then they can go to $30, which is like $30 monthly. And then I think the next one's like $2,500, and then it goes like $15,000. So it's the value ladder is, you get your customer in from here, and then if they really like that product, then they might buy here, or they might buy here, they might buy here. So that's the value ladder if you didn't know what that means. Instead of just emails, retargeting, more of that in secret number 9. Facebook ads, Messenger, text messages. And like I said too, there's organic. I'm a big video person, so YouTube, you can pull in your customers organically. Did I totally just skip one? I did. All right, 3 closes. Sorry, I sit on a ball. All right. The most powerful way to get someone to take action is by using emotion, logic, and fear. No, I'm not saying threaten to beat somebody up. That's not. It's like fear as in, this product is only going to be on sale till the end of the day or to the end of the month. So there's a scarcity there to buy the product because they can only get it on sale for so long. Does that make sense? All right. I love the pictures. Headline, email, submit. The follow-up funnel. We build emotion, logic, and fear, messaging into our follow-up funnels to help our audience purchase our products. So I was trying to think of a good example. So emotion, logic, and fear. Let's say I do video, okay? So let's just use that as an example. Say I'm trying to teach someone how to do video and they're scared of the camera. A lot of people are scared of the camera. So their emotions are going to be that they're scared. And then the logic is, I help them get past that point and realize that they can get their message out through video, and it's faster and it's easier. And then once they get the hang of it, they're like, yeah. And say they're going through my YouTube course, but then I'm like, I'm sorry guys, I can only get it for this price through the end of the month. like for example, I really have a thing now where they can win and get it a whole lot cheaper. So anyways, that's the fear. You know, if you don't hurry up and get it, you're gonna pay a whole lot more later on. I can't stand when people do the scarcity and then it's not true. So if you do it, try to be authentic and be honest. Okay, here's another one. Move me around. Emotion-based headline. It's your story, and if you can do it, video's always better, I think. And then, or not, you know, you can do it in words and stuff too. But that's your story, and then, you know, your logical argument, why they should buy it, what it's all about. You should really lose weight because of this, the urgency and the scarcity that I was telling you about. Every sales page we create has the same style because it addresses the emotion, logic, and fear messages in the order required to create the sale. Makes sense? And you do this all in a funnel, okay? A funnel, if you don't know, is where you go in, you give something away, or you just say, hey, I wanted to teach you about this, get their name and email address, so it goes to the next step. It takes you to a landing page, and you're telling all about it and everything, and then it's going to take you to like a sales page where you can actually purchase it. Moving on. Okay, the soap opera versus the Seinfeld emails, okay? Because email's the way to go, right? We've learned that in the last couple videos. The customer's journey, soap opera sequence. I just completely redone a whole bunch of mine, so I can really relate to all of this. And then you have your Seinfeld emails. You have your follow-up funnels. Your Seinfeld. Your soap opera is basically where you go in and you tell them about yourself. You tell them your story. You tell them, you know, what you're all about. What you could do a scarcity. You could tell them, like I might tell them how I got started and where they could go if they wanted to go follow from like where I came from, because why would I want them to take as long as it took me? So I'm trying to help them get in a lot quicker. The Seinfeld emails, broadcasts, Seinfeld messages, daily broadcasts that you use, hook, story, offer that ties back to your core offer, your new offers and promotions. So basically your Seinfeld emails are, you know, you can still keep sending them more products that you promote, but at the same time, let them know what you're all about, teach them something. I'm not always sending offers and stuff, so I'll send emails. I do videos, so I'll send my videos through my emails and stuff too, so they could watch them and not always have to feel like they're being sold to. So okay, implementing secret number 6. Say you have, and I put these here because for one, my main platform that I use is YouTube, and I teach video and affiliate marketing. So, for example, I put on here, you know, Traffic Secrets book plus bonuses, and also my ClickFunnels course, which you get your ClickFunnels course is one of my bonuses, which is to help you set up your business, not just teach you ClickFunnels. It's really cool. Anyways, but the point is to bring people in, right? So whether you use Facebook or you use Instagram or YouTube, you know, I have my funnels at the bottom to, like this right here at the very bottom, if you're interested in bonuses, because I didn't put them in here. So if you want to know about the bonuses and to check out the book, I have a link down below. It is in a funnel, so as soon as you click on it, I get your name and email address, so I can send you stuff, and I send you free stuff, send you information, and then more stuff if you want to sign up for it. And same thing here, you know, I have a video to help people understand more about this course, and so underneath it, you know, I have where they can, you know, sign up, and I'm going to give them something for free. again, you give something for free, you get their name, their email address, etc. So that helps bring in the customers, and it helps, you're getting them on your list. And to get to know me more, they're gonna learn more about me, even in my emails. Do not try. Deliver what you promised via email and set them up for success. See, that's what I try to do in my emails. I'm so sorry. The soap opera. Tell stories to connect with them. Provide value using motion, logic, and fear. Now we know what all of that means, right? The Seinfelds. Put into your main bucket list to broadcast to whenever that you please. All right, guys. To get the book, you got to go to ShellyHopkins.com/traffic secrets, or even easier, underneath the link and the bonuses are in the description down below, instead of adding them to the video and making it more longer and telling you all about it. But I do have a bunch of stuff in there, so you should check it out. I have my free course, just to name. And then I have, because in his book, he doesn't tell you exactly how you should do like Facebook ads and stuff like that. So I went and I purchased the best Facebook ads training that you're going to find. So that's one of my main bonuses. You get help from me, etc., etc. So you should really check all those out. And if you've missed any of my other videos, normally I would say point up to here, but now this is number 6. So there's a bunch. So you should go back and go through them. I'm skipping the intros and everything. I'm trying to make these as fast as possible, but get the main things out of the chapters as possible. So go back and watch those. If you can't learn anything, if anything, you might be entertained. I'm crazy. Okay, guys. Do me a favor. If you are not a subscriber, subscribe to this channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And hit the bell notification. But don't just hit the bell notification. You need to click all, so you get to see all of my videos. Or they're just going to send you some. And give me a thumbs up, because I really would appreciate it. And so would the algorithm. And share it with your friends. Share this video. All right, guys. Until the next one. It's coming up. See you then.